before I'm dead and gone. Oh.
Terry and I are off on another adventure. This will be our 4th country together. We said goodbye to Ernie and John and left them home taking care of the pets. Well, here's where we spent the night, Flying J, TA, in Lebec, California, which is like almost at the top of the Grapevine. We slept well. It was windy, but we pointed the RV into the wind and only felt a little bit of rocking. It is still very cloudy and damp, and will probably rain before we get through LA. So this is, today is March the 10th, and we are headed through LA to Potrero Campground, where we're going to be over the weekend and meeting up with all the Fantasy RV Tour people. Stay tuned. Top of the Grapevine. We're headed out.
I never felt tomorrow closing in this fast. Oh, I guess time's in a rush. Leaves are falling down, but at least they grow back, while I'm on a one-way track. Now I know what it means to grow. Sometimes I understand I'm making all the wrong demands in life. It never pays in the end, but still I am here, moving on like before. I'm yearning to reach the shore. Now I know what it means to grow.
We made it to the ocean, Doheny Park. It's just a little day-use picnic area, and we stopped here for lunch. And it's gray and a little windy and a little drizzly. Still beautiful. Here's where we parked. Took up a few car parking places, but there aren't a lot of people here, so we're not worried about it. We got plenty of room to move around. There's Terry! And here's more of the ocean. We saw some pelicans and of course seagulls earlier. Kind of a gloomy day on the coast, but glad to be here. San Onofre nuclear power plant. Uh-oh, we got emergency equipment up ahead. See what's going on. Looks like somebody went over the embankment. No ambulance, so I guess there's no injury. We're almost to the campground. Carroll Valley Road.
That's where the bus is, right? Yeah.
Carroll County Park. Yeah, that's.
Hunting alone.
our site, number 34 at Potrero County Park Campground. And we're in with the Fantasy RV group. Hi, it's Lonnie with Crafty Traveler. I'm in Terry's RV. We left Thursday morning to head south to Potrero Campground. We had a little rain along the way. We stayed at the Flying J in Lebec, California, which was at the top of the Grapevine. And we arrived yesterday, the 10th, here at Potrero. As soon as we arrived and got our RV hooked up and parked, Jeff, who is the tail gunner of the group, came by and said, "Come on, we're going to the border to get your FMM checked and stamped." Right now? Yeah, right now. So we went and got our FMM, which is the visitor's tourist visa for Mexico. We actually went through the gate and crossed the border to do that. Here, here I come, crossing the border, more or less. We're meeting up with a group here to cross the border, and it's a noisy crossing. I guess they want to know who's coming. And then you have to go to the bank, which is like 2 doors away, pay them, and then go back and get it stamped. Jeff drove us and dropped us off, and Carol was with us the whole way. And Fantasy RV Tours paid the fee for the FMM. And then we walked around the block and back across the street, and Jeff picked us up, and we came back to the campground. For the next 2 days, we're here to relax while others come in, and they do the same routine with them. We actually will leave across the border on Monday. Tomorrow, I plan on doing a little tour of the campground area and do a video about that. So stay tuned for more. Thanks for watching. Give me a thumbs up. Comment, share, and subscribe. Stay crafty, smart, creative, and safe. And watch us on our Baja adventures.
I'm too curious for that.